Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Just do help myself Asis. Today I will discuss about this wireless mouse. As you can see, I have one mouse. This is M170 model and this is a Logitech brand. So this wireless mouse, you will get it in any technology shop, or you can check in online. You will get it at 650. You can check the price online. At 650 it will be available. So now let's open this box and we'll see what it will be. So see, this is packet and some paper is there. That's it will be in this box. So now we will open this. See, this is this that kind of size you will get. And first try to on this button. After on, try to remove this. Try to connect your, once you will remove this, try to connect battery, and this will be in inside only. So you have to put that in your system. Once put it down there in system, this is close. Now this is ready to control your system. And if you want to save your battery, please frequently use this button. Whenever only it is used, then that time only please on, or when it is in rest mode, try to off it, so it will save your battery. So and see, don't try to view this with any optical instrument, so because there is a laser radiant available, so with the help of that it is only connected. So don't try to remove that, don't try to view directly with any lenses, or don't try to modify this product like something you want to open or something like that. Except this battery, don't try to accept replacing battery. Don't try to modify in this model, or don't try to service something like with try to open or this or like that, because this is available with the laser radiance, so it might be get exposure. Or don't try to put some liquid or exposure to heat or moisture. So, or in case if you put directly by mistake some liquid or what, first you try to turn off this device, and until it has not become normal, you wait for become its temperature normal. And whenever your battery get over, try to recycle that one. Don't directly dump in your waste. And see, you can see this product is free defect, no any issues. But in case if you find any defect, so you, whenever you will get this product, you will get a bill. So with that help of this bill, you can claim and it can be refunded. So if something, in case you found any defect in this product, this is all about this Logitech mouse, wireless mouse. So if you find this video is useful, please don't forget to like, share or subscribe, which gives me motivation to make more videos, guys. That's all. Good luck. Thanks for watching.